All right, it's about 9:57. Got the motor dropped back in. Got some of the stuff hooked up. You know, took a break. A lot of shit I had to move just to get this thing up out of here. You know, like the power stand pump. You know, um, starter. Got that all bolted back in and connected. Alternators bolted in, connected. All of the sensors right there, knock sensor. You know, so just took a break. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm about to start plugging some more stuff on. I should have this thing running by tomorrow. All right, peace out.